In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can add a circle overlay to your Facecam inside Filmora. Now, as you can see, I've got some generic footage right here, but if you want to do this with your Facecam, that's absolutely fine. Now, first of all, once we are inside Filmora, what we will need to do is go to the top left-hand corner and then scroll over to Effects. Once we do this, we will then be able to search for a mask. Now, once you search for a mask, as you can see, you've got a load of different shapes right here, so you can use pretty much any you like. But once you go ahead and get the one you like, so for example this circle one, I will click, drag and drop this onto my footage. And then once you drag and drop this onto your footage, as you'll notice, this will then overlay on your footage. You can then go ahead and resize this and position it anywhere you like inside the player right here. And then what you can do if you want to do this is go back and then you can then search for a border. So if you want to put a border on it, just search for a border and you can choose any border which you like from here. For example, if I just choose this one, go ahead and then drop that on. And then as you'll notice, if you double click on this, go over to the effects tab, you will then be able to resize the border and then make it any pretty much shape you want, or also any color. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can add a circle overlay onto your Facecam inside Filmora. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.